Gaby, can you crawl? Gaby, can you crawl for us? Here he goes. Come on. Come on, Gabes. Come on. Look at Gaby inchworming. Come on. Had to get this on video. Gaby is 9.5 months old. It's November 14th. And he can inchworm. And here he goes. He's going to get Jonah. Or not. Hi, Gabes! Sweetest baby ever. And this is Jonah. Jonah, how old are you? 3. Jonah Bear's 3. Here comes Gabes. Hi. I think he's gonna come trying to be picked up by me. He needs a mommy hug. Okay, Gaby. He likes my shoelaces. Gaby. 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 And that's my Gabes. Sweetest baby ever. Gaby. Can you say cheese? And he's climbing into my lap. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, and what is Jonah doing right now? Is Jonah eating Halloween candy? Oh, wait, whoa. Oh, could you go sit down at the table, please? Because you got chocolate dripping. Okay, I'll come in a minute. There you go.